this video, I'm going to show you how to create a blog page in WordPress. So the first thing you need to do is just head over to your WordPress dashboard, and then you need to click on posts from the left hand side. Now this page here is where we need to go and create all of the different blogs and the different posts that we want to appear on our website. So you can do that just by pressing the add post button. So you can simply create a title for your blog, and then obviously you can write out the text for your blog as well. You can then go and click on post from the right hand side, and if you click on set featured image, this will essentially be the thumbnail for your blog. So I'm just going to select one of my images and press set featured image, and then you can go and press publish. Now once you have your blog post created like I do here, I'm going to show you how to get them to appear on your website. So we're going to click on pages from the left hand side. You can then press add page, and we're going to set up a designated page for all of our blogs. So you could call this something like news or blogs, it's entirely up to you, and then just press publish in the top right hand side. Now once you've published this page, come back over to your WordPress dashboard. You can then hover over settings from the left hand side and click on reading. You can then scroll down to where it says your homepage displays and click on this option, a static page. Now for the homepage, obviously this is where you want to go and select your homepage, and now for the post page, this is where we need to select our news or our blog page. So as you can see, I already have my news page selected, and then we can scroll down and press save changes. Now what that's going to do is all of the blogs that you create, they're automatically going to show up on this news page here, and every time you create a new post, it's automatically going to be added. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.